Okay, so this is going to be lesson 13-3. Starting the screenplay in 3, 2, 1. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do the last section of the front bumper. The one we can see here, the one that curves down. For that, we will take some vertices from our main diffuser. So those, cheesy them a little bit. These are those, then again cheesy. Now since we're done with the actual main body of that, we have polished it as much as possible. Now is the grand time to begin the last part of the front diffuser. We're gonna take the vertices from there just to... Okay, we're gonna take this entire line. Let's deselect the ones we don't need. Shift A, PS. Easy. Let's place it correctly where it should be. Leaving those two words, we just gonna take these and just GC this. Just follow my steps for now. SD0, and now we're to do things manually. Now EUI, push it inside with a little bit of solidify. GUI, push it inside, open the blueprint. Okay, since the front and the side are not aligned, we have to do things all by ourselves. Let's fixing things manually over here. After EUI in this a bit, turning on the subteam, now we're gonna get the boundaries and make it smoother and sharper where it needs to be. Alright, it looks amazing now. It looks amazing now. Cool. Let's take these. We're gonna fix it a little bit. With the GZ, we're gonna push it down and move it up front a teeny tiny bit. Alright, cool. For the EUI, just isolate this and just give it sharp edges and boundaries. Cool. So now we're done with the front diffuser.